example is how can I find the distance from a point is, for example, 3, 5, and this is the y equal to 2. How can I find the perpendicular distance? It should be 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, so if I change it to a unknowns p, x, y, and line is still equal to y equal to 2, then the perpendicular distance will becomes is y minus 2. So it's the first case. And for the second case is if the line is above the point, for example, y is equal to -3, and this is xy, then the perpendicular distance will become -3 minus y. Okay, because this value is bigger than this value. And how about if it is a vertical line? For example, if this one is x equal to 3, and if the point is here, xy, then the distance will become x minus 3. Okay, if it is on the left hand side, for example here, is xy, and this distance will become 3 minus x. So you need to pay attention for the order of x and the value of y or x. And for the question 1, in the figure, A is a point on x-axis, okay, and a moving point P maintain an equal distance from A and the line. So this is 1 point and 1 line. So part A, find the equation of locus of P. So first of all, how can I find the distance from the point P to the line y equal to 4? So it's the distance of locus of P. Okay, is enough for P to y equal to 4 should be y minus 4, and then so the equation of the locus should be PA equal to, okay, this because we maintain the equal distance, which is PA equal to the distance from the point to the line y equal to 4. So we can write down PA equal to y minus 4, and we can apply the distance point formula. It should be x minus 0 square plus y minus 8 square equal to y minus 4. So after that, you can have some simplification. So x square plus y minus 8 square equal to y minus 4 square. So you have some simplification. You will get the equation like this, and you move all the items to the left hand side, and you will get the answer, which is we call is parabola. Okay, the first part, and second part, if 4a is a point on locus of P. So for part B, so find the value of a. So we can substitute x equal to 4, y equal to a into the locus of P. So it becomes 4 squared minus 8 times a plus 48 equals 0, and you will get the answer is a equal to 8. So we finish the first one and go to the second one. And in the figure now, it's also P maintain an equal distance from a point and a line. So find the equation of it. So first of all, you need to find out the distance from the point to the straight line. So the distance from P to line y equal to 3 is, so now is y is above the straight line y equal to 3, so it should be y minus 3. So, and then you can set up an equation which is Pn equal to y minus 3, and you can apply the distance point formula again. It should be like this, which is equal to y minus 3, and you remove the bracket and the square root. You will get the following result. So finally, move all the terms to the left hand side. have some cancellation, and you will get the answer. Okay, so and for part 3, question 3, and now it's also a moving point P maintain a equal distance from a point and the x-axis, so it's still a line. So find the locus of P. So you need to still have the same format, the distance of P from the x-axis. Okay, you pay attention is now P is below x-axis, so it should be 0 minus y. That means it's negative y. And then the format is similar as before. So Pm is equal to negative y. So you apply the distance point formula and simplify the square root and the bracket. And you get the equation, which is equal to x squared plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So we finish question number 3. And last 2 questions. And in question number 4, which is similar before, so I won't do it with you. Okay, similar to 1. Okay, I won't do it with you, and I will try to do question number 5. And now the yp, the point P is also equal distance from a point and a line. So that means, but now the distance is, the point P is below. Okay, the point P is below the line y equal to 2. So I need to write down the distance carefully. Distance from P to line y equal to 2 is 2 minus y. Okay, so the equation is PD equal to 2 minus y, which is equal to the distance point formula, equal to 2 minus y squared. Oh, sorry, here. And then you get some simplification. And you can write down like this. So after simplify, you can get the equation of the parabola is x squared minus 6x plus 12y plus 21 equal to 0. So that's the end of chapter 8, verse 5. So in this chapter, you need to pay attention is the position of the point P relatively to the straight line. Okay, if it is above the straight line, you need to use the unknown y minus the value of straight line, and vice versa. If it's below the line, then you need to use the bigger value minus the smaller value. Okay, that's the end.